How to fix Windows Update failed error in Windows 11. So in order to fix this problem, let's first go to Services. In order to search Services, tap Windows on your keyboard and simply type services.fsc and hit enter. Now we need to search 3 different services in this Services tab. Let's first search for Windows Event Connector. Right click on the Services, go to Properties, and from here select the startup type to Automatic and click on Apply and click on OK. After this, go to Windows Event Log, right click on the Services, go to Properties and make sure the startup type is Automatic and the services status is running and click on Apply and click on OK. And after this, go to Windows Update, open up the Properties. From here select the startup type to Automatic and make sure the service status is running and click on Apply and click on OK. After enabling those 3 services, make sure that you restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, open up Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and from there you just need to copy and paste the command prompt that we have put in the description one by one. And after you copy and paste all those command prompts and your command prompt, now your problem should be fixed. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.